Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Libraton tool set. This thing is absolutely awesome. So just kind of give you an idea of all the different size sockets you have in here. And I mean, they're magnetic too. So once you pull a screw out, they're going to basically stay put. So let's use like the universal 10 millimeter. And I love how they can fit right into one of your smaller impact wrenches. Stays nice and tight. Or you can actually put it on a drill. Slip that out, and then you can easily fit that inside one of your favorite drill pieces. So let's work on getting this one bolt out nice and easy. So put that on, spins out, and I love that it's magnetic, so you're not going to drop that all over the place. And then to put it back in, same thing, nice and easy. So nice and tight, and it works great if you have a bunch of like different hose clamps and stuff that you have to get off. Same thing, you can take that piece out, put it onto your little impact driver, make sure it's nice and connected, get the right direction going, and then same thing, like the hose clamp, nice and easy, super in and out. Lovely, great, fantastic set. And like I said, you have all your main sizes here, and it's all in one neat, convenient pack, and you can put it in your glove compartment. I love that it has all these extensions too, so if you're looking to get something that's like way down in the front here, you have that ability to put those sockets on there. And again, magnetic, so you're never going to lose your screws or your bolts that you're taking off. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.